Hello everyone and welcome back to part 16 of my Learn Ethical Hacking course. In this part we're going to look at the basic commands that we can use with Beef. So go to the commands. We've got our victim machine or a zombie still connected to our website which has the hook on it. So it's still hooked, it's an online browser and we can actually do some commands. So there's a few basic ones. There's, if you go to browser and then hooked domain, we can create an alert box. So, hacked. It's a bit cringy, but there we go. We execute that, and it sends the execute. And if we go back, it says this site says hacked. So you press OK. That's a simple alert box. You can do create a prompt dialog box. Attention, please check this out. Click execute. It sends the command, and we go back and it says, need some info from you, please check this out. So for example, you could say, please enter your password or something. So that's quite useful. It's very similar to the credentials, which we're going to look at in the next video. Redirect browser. So we can redirect them to a certain website. So if we type in HTTP and then Google, we'll just send them to google.com. Can't speak today. So we've executed it, go back and it sends them to Google. Sorry you didn't see it redirect, but as you can see it's just gone straight from that hooked browser to Google. So that's a simple redirect. We can deface the website. So overwrite a particular component of the hooked page. So you have to use jQuery selector, and let's just execute and see if this actually works. But I don't think we don't have a header tag inside this website or the HTML page, so that's not going to actually do anything. It's useful to know though. It can replace content. So let's click execute and see what this does. It sends the command. We go back to the victim and it says Beef. So it literally actually does deface the website that they're on. So you could change this and say hacked by, and then your name or alias. Go back to the website and you can change the content. What else is on here? Webcam, play sound. Not going to show you that. The webcam, don't have a webcam connected, so I can't actually show you that working. Detect pop-up blocker. So it detects it if it's enabled. So let's execute, check the result. It's not actually, oh there we go. Pop-up blocker enabled equals false. SpiderEye. So let's execute SpiderEye and see what they're viewing right now. Click command 3, execute it. Sometimes this does work and sometimes it doesn't. As you can see, command 2 worked, and that was when I was testing it before, but you get a screenshot of what they're looking at on the website. If you click re-execute command, I think it may work. So re-execute command 3, which is the latest one. And let's have a look at the results. No, it's still not loaded. I don't recommend using SpiderEye. The main reason for this Beef is because you can send, if you spoof everything and you spoof a DNS, you can send them to this for them to download your payload. It's a very good way of social engineering people to download the payload. So I wouldn't recommend using everything, that's in Beef. There's just a few good ones. So I recommend the prompt dialog box, the redirect, and also, well, webcam can be useful. Play sound, it's just more of like a troll type thing. We can close out of that, and then social engineering is the most important because there's a load of useful ones here. So pretty theft, we've showed you that. It didn't go into much detail, but I'll show you. I'm going to show or make a different video for this. So I've showed you the fake notification Clippy. This is a good one. So it's very similar to the fake notification bar, except it says your browser appears to be out of date. So if we execute this, go back, you can see it appear down here. So your browser appears to be out of date. Would you like to upgrade it? Now the reason it's showing up like that and it looks a bit stupid is because we haven't actually got added any images. So Clippy image directory, and we haven't put the payload into the executable direct download. Just useful stuff to know. We can detect Tor if they're using Tor. Miscellaneous. Google search, so we can search Google with a query without them actually being on Google. That's Metasploit, and I've showed you some of them. Let's have a look here. Detect Google desktop. So you can detect Bitdefender. I don't really know what the point of that is. And get internal IPs. So that's a few of the basic commands. If you need any help with Beef, then just leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. But I'm going to make a video shortly on a hacking demonstration, and I'll show you. In that video will be the main purpose of Beef. Essentially, all it is for either stealing, using pretty theft and stealing the password and information for Facebook, and also the fake notification bars for them to download your payload. So that was it for this video. If it did help, please leave a like, comment if you're stuck with anything. I'll be happy to help, and I will see you in the next video.